In today's video, we are going to talk about I-130 processing times for December 2025 for spouse, children, parent, and siblings. If you are new to this channel, my name is Sliman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information I have from USCIS website. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. We are going to divide this video into three sections. The first section is factors that affect I-130 processing time, just to give an idea for new people watching this channel. Second section, I-130 processing times from USCIS account. If you file your case online, you should log into your account and check your processing times from your account. And third section is I-130 processing times from USCIS website. Everyone can do this one. So let's start with first section, which is factors that affect I-130 processing times. As you know, USCIS processes cases in order they receive them. However, each case is unique and will depend on the following factors. First factor is relationship to the petitioner. As you know, we have immediate relatives and we have non-immediate relatives. Immediate relatives, the visa is available, while non-immediate relatives, you have to wait for the priority date to become CAN. For immediate relatives, we have spouse of US citizen, we have unmarried child under the age of 21, and we have the parent of US citizen. For non-immediate relatives for US citizen, we have unmarried son or daughter of US citizen. We have married son and daughter of US citizen. We have brothers or sisters of US citizen. For a green card holder, we have a spouse of a lawful permanent resident. We have unmarried child under the age of 21. We have unmarried son or daughter of permanent resident, 21 years old or older. So now we have the two different type of relatives, immediate relatives and non-immediate relatives. So USCIS workload and policies. The overall workload at USCIS, including the number of applications received and staffing level, can affect the processing times. As you know, for example, in the COVID era, the staffing was, low, but the cases were high. So that result in that affect the processing times. Third factor is accuracy of the application. A complete and accurate application with all required documentation can prevent delays caused by the request of evidence. Fourth factor is the beneficiary's location. Where the beneficiary resides impact the I-130 processing time. And this factor now under Trump administration, it is, as you know, some location they even like banned entering United States. But but if you are immediate relative, it still is gonna affect the processing times. The fifth factor is case complexity. Case with complexities such as criminal records or preview immigration issues may require additional review and thus take a longer process. Background and security clearance as well extend the background check or security clearance can also contribute to a longer processing times. Factor number 6 is visa availability. For non-immediate relatives, the visa availability is a crucial factor. It can significantly impact how long a beneficiary waits to receive an immigrant visa. If you are in this category, you must check the visa button that Department of State and USCIS releases every month. Now let's go to the second section, which is how to check the processing times from USCIS account. So if you log into your account and you go under your case, go to processing times. If you are an immediate relatives, it's gonna give you estimate for your case. For example, you can see this one, estimated time until case decision is 2 months. If you are immediate relatives. If you are non-immediate relatives, it's gonna show like this. We are not currently providing my progress case processing estimate for this type, for this filing type. So they do not give the processing times for non-immediate relatives for US citizens. Now let's go to the third section, which is how to check the processing times from USCIS website. So if you go online and type USCIS processing time, click on the first link, it's gonna take you to this page right here. You need to select the form, which is I-130, petition for alien relative, form category. You're gonna select the form category. For example, in this example, we have US citizen filing for a spouse, parent, or child under 21, and a field office or service center. So as you know, now they group all USCIS services into one service center, which is service center operations, excluding the National Benefits Center. If you click processing time, it's gonna give you the processing time. So now let's start with first category, which is filing for spouse, parent, or child under 21. So the processing time is 17 months. So there is no change from last month. So 17 months. And we are going to talk about the median as we go through this video. So here, if you see for I-130, the processing time now, the median is 14.4 months. So it went down from last month, which is good. Now it's 14.4. But if you check the status from online, it's going to show 17. So the median is 14.4. So let's move on. Let's move on to the next category, which is non-immediate relatives for US citizens. This time the category is filing for a married son, daughter 21 or older. So they do not give the processing time. So they see a note. So you have to check the visa bulletin and see if your case is if priority date is covered. Let's move on to the next category, which is for US citizen, non-immediate relatives. Category is filing for married son or daughter. So they do not provide the processing time as well. You must check your priority date in the visa bulletin. Let's go to the last category for US citizen. For non-immediate relatives, the category is filing for brother or sister. They do not provide the processing time as well. You must check the visa bulletin for you must check the visa bulletin, your priority date in a visa bulletin. Now let's switch gears to permanent resident holder. The category filing for spouse or child under 21. So the processing times for petition for alien relative I-130 at service center operations is 36.5 months. Now let's check the next category, which is filing for unmarried son or daughter 21 or older. So same processing times, 36.5 months. Now let's go to USCIS third quarter and see like the processing times. For I-130, for immediate relatives, the median is 14.4 months. For non-immediate relatives, all other relatives is 36.5 months. This is from USCIS website. So as you can see, for immediate relatives, it went down by almost 3.3 months. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you in next video.